Welcome, friends. Today we continue our journey of learning English through the Dhamma. Our lesson is called Food and Drink, Offering with Gratitude. We will learn simple English words for food and drink, and we will connect them to mindfulness and gratitude. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, and smile gently. Let's begin. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Rice, soup, fruit, tea, water. These are simple food and drink words. Now let's say them together. Rice, soup, fruit, tea, water. Let's make simple sentences. I eat rice. I drink soup. I eat fruit. I drink tea. I drink water. Repeat after me slowly. I eat rice. I drink soup. I eat fruit. I drink tea. I drink water. These sentences are short, but they help us practice English and daily life. Let's imagine daily life. At breakfast, you can say, I eat rice. At lunch, you can say, I drink soup. At snack time, you can say, I eat fruit. At tea time, you can say, I drink tea. At night, you can say, I drink water. Repeat with me, I eat rice. I drink soup. I eat fruit. I drink tea. I drink water. Close your eyes for 1 minute. Think of the food you eat today. Say softly in your mind, I eat with gratitude, I drink with mindfulness. This is both English practice and mindfulness practice, noticing food and drink with awareness. Let's add 2 more sentences. I offer food. I offer water. Repeat after me. I offer food. I offer water. These sentences connect language learning with the practice of generosity. Today we learned our 25th lesson, Food and Drink, Offering with Gratitude. We practiced saying rice, soup, fruit, tea, water. I eat rice. I drink soup. I eat fruit. I drink tea. I drink water. I eat with gratitude. I drink with mindfulness. I offer food. I offer water. These sentences are simple, but they help us talk about food and drink in English, and they remind us to live mindfully with gratitude and generosity. Thank you for joining me. May your practice bring peace, clarity, and joy.